Welcome, everybody. Today, we are providing you with a webinar on how to transform your Business Central financial reporting using Power BI. The two nice gentlemen presenting to you today will be myself. I'm on the left, Jens Bond. I'm in charge of our sales here at Quicksand. And on the right, we have Sebastian Alexander, who is our Director of Professional Services. He is also the brain behind our Power BI. The agenda for this webinar is briefly who we are, so you can frame that. Uh, we'll touch on Microsoft and how business intelligence is being handled by Microsoft. Uh, Evolution of finance from the abacus and all the way to today, especially around Business Central and how Power BI will be a super useful tool for any Business Central user. Then Sebastian will touch on some Power BI Q&A, and he will take you into the future, talking about business intelligence and the use of AI or artificial intelligence. At the end of this, we'll wrap up and share with you the benefits of Power BI together with Business Central. Quicksand Solutions. We are a Microsoft Dynamics 365 partner, and we do consultancy. We're based in Canada, pretty much across all of Canada. Also, do business across the US because a lot of our customers are south of the border. And we help companies, organizations through all the phases with ERP implementation, optimization, business intelligence, BI, and cloud transformation. It really means that we help companies move away from servers in the basement and into the cloud where they have maximal security and don't have to worry about upgrading or maintaining their own infrastructure. Quicksand, we hold 50 plus years of combined experience. It's actually a lot more than 50 plus, but it's a good number. We do digital transformation differently. We never promise more than we can deliver, and we always deliver on what we promise. And we are dedicated to providing our customers an ongoing value because the world doesn't stop because you get a new solution. It keeps developing your external, internal requirements, and we are there with you along the journey of that. With that, I will hand over to Sebastian to share with you some of the cost of accounting. Take it away, Sebastian.
Thanks, Jens, and thank you to everyone who's joined. I'd like to start by sharing a quote from 1903 that still resonates to this day over a century later. Pierre S. DuPont, the founder of what we know as the modern corporation, recognized the power of data to proactively make business decisions. Pierre cited the analysis process was so complex it required the time of his best resources to ensure accuracy. Today, we want to talk about the tools that Microsoft has made available to streamline data analysis for increased efficiencies resulting in decreased costs. Let's review Microsoft's business intelligence journey, which continues to this day. Microsoft has been a leader in data collection and analysis for 4 decades. In the 80s, Microsoft released Excel to enable small data aggregation and analysis. Through the acquisition of SQL Server, Microsoft enabled users to aggregate and analyze medium data. In the 21st century, Microsoft introduced online analytical processing, or OLAP, in combination with cubes to manage large data. Today, Power BI in the cloud enables integration and visualization across multiple data sources. Microsoft's machine learning, or ML, integration with artificial intelligence, or AI, enables predictions through data modeling. This evolution has empowered finance professionals to gain insights across large sets of raw data. We all know the role of finance is continually evolving. The majority of finance leaders cite a lack of automation tools and technologies needed to transform manual processes and free up time. Instead of spending most of the days on analysis or cross-team collaboration, 62% of finance professionals are stuck in the drudgery of data entry and review cycles. As finance teams look to evolve and support more strategic work, How can you address the mundane, repetitive, and manual operational tasks? Historically, leaders look to business process outsourcing, or BPO, so much so that market spend is estimated to exceed 400 billion Canadian dollars by the end of this year. That's 400 billion. It just shows how valuable getting time back is to finance leaders. More time to reinvest in strategic initiatives to drive business performance. Only 13% of organizations identify performance issues before they hit the books. Whether it's looking externally to negotiate better terms or supporting colleagues with ad hoc requests to drive financial clarity, it's clear that time can be better spent. It's time to get strategic. Here are some examples of what strategic work looks like for finance professionals. Identifying performance issues to increase opportunities such as inaccessible data, delaying responses to market changes. Tying internal data to external insights, some examples such as customer churn due to service delays. Developing key performance indicators, or KPIs, to track performance and improve profitability. How can you effectively analyze your data to proactively identify issues before it's too late? Microsoft introduced Power BI integration with Business Central in 2018. This integration allows Business Central users to leverage Power BI for advanced data analytics and visualization directly within the Business Central environment. You can explore your data in Power BI using drill up and drill down functions to click through layers of data. Drill up allows you to move to a higher, more aggregated view when working with data hierarchies, such as periodic reporting. Drill down provides detailed insights for a selected data point. Advanced data analysts can use Power BI's built-in data analysis expressions, or DAX queries, to facilitate data modeling for predictions on future trends. So let's look at the Power BI integration within Business Central. With the Power BI add-in installed, you can see Power BI embedded into your Business Central homepage. Very handy. When you mouse over a data point within a visual, a pane automatically displays that summarizes the containing data. You have the option to drill up, which will take you to a higher level in the data hierarchy. You can drill down once you've drilled up. At the end of the day, you're leveraging Power BI's built-in tools within Business Central. Looking for insights, analytics on your data set within Business Central? Simply right-click on your tile and select the Insights option to let Power BI's built-in KPI analysis function do the work for you within Business Central. Power BI analyzes report tile data sets to provide insight on trends. For example, when the lowest sales occur within a period. There's multiple data management features within the integration. You can leverage all of Power BI's standard functions and features, such as filters, sorting, insights, and data export, again from within Business Central. This eliminates the need to flip between systems, increasing efficiencies to save you time. So let's look at some cross-platform reporting features. The Power BI integration to Business Central allows you to view and access Power BI reports from within Business Central. Simply click the Select Report option, click a report, and watch Business Central render the report from Power BI. Once loaded, Business Central allows you to scroll through reports across a variety of disciplines like sales, finance, and inventory within the same space. This eliminates the need to open and close multiple reports. You can view reports regardless of where the dataset resides. So if your Power BI report is surfacing data from your Microsoft CRM, no problem at all. You're not restricted to Business Central data. Let's talk about Power BI's enhanced data visualizations, specifically presentation-ready visuals. Power BI has an export to PowerPoint feature that retains visuals and layouts, significantly decreasing the time required for you to create your presentation. You can personalize your visualizations prior to generating your PowerPoint presentation. Let's look at the tools and processes within Power BI that make that happen. The personalization feature allows you to personalize how your Business Central data is visualized. Simply right-click a report and select the Personalize option. Configure the available settings to meet your data reporting requirements as shown here on screen. Once completed, Power BI surfaces the visual and the corresponding data set so you can see the relationship. You now have the option to rearrange the data, add or modify filters, or add additional data attributes. Each change you make is reflected real-time in the visual pane, taking personalization to a new level. Power Presentation Ready Visual is very exciting. So Power BI returns a presentation ready report of the data set with the personalizations you defined. Click the File option in the top menu bar and choose Export to PowerPoint. Power BI takes a snapshot of your report, which respects the filters and visuals you personalized. If you export a multi-layer report, Power BI generates a PowerPoint file with a separate slide for each report layer. You can add any comments or other visuals, and you're done, saving you time to focus on strategic initiatives. Want to save even more time? Of course you do. Use Power BI's Insights feature to see trends within your data set. Mouse over your newly created report, right-click, and select the Insights option. You can see here in the screenshot, the Insight pane expands with a list of trends based on the dataset analysis Power BI performs. Screenshot those trends and paste them right into your Power BI generated PowerPoint deck. Let Power BI do the work for you. Power BI offers a built-in notification function, advanced monitoring alerts. Select the report tile again, then click the Set Alert button from the top menu bar, highlighted in red. Define the criteria that triggers your alert by selecting one of the operator options in the right side pane, also shown in a red square. You can send alert notifications via email or post directly to Teams, improving communication and collaboration. Once created, you have the option to change your alert settings at any time. This allows you to focus your team's attention on priority challenges at the right time. Microsoft's cross-platform compatibility allows embedding Power BI visuals and reports within the Microsoft Office suite of tools such as SharePoint. Power BI integrates with Microsoft Teams, allowing users to share reports, dashboards, and datasets directly within Teams channels. This makes data accessible in the applications where your teams already collaborate, increasing accessibility and productivity. This fosters real-time collaboration and decision-making within the team's environment. So I want to talk about something that I think is pretty cool. This is the Power BI question and answer feature, which is leveraging artificial intelligence. Q&A feature allows viewers to type questions in natural language to explore specific insights, which is great for responding to live questions and presentations such as today. Smart narratives automatically generate written summaries based on visualized data, providing context for the audience viewing your reports. Not sure what to ask? No problem. Click Show All Suggestions and let Power BI return a set of questions related to your dataset. Select a question that fits the results you're looking for and watch Power BI transform the results to meet your ask. What about visualizations? Again, no problem. Include the format you want in your question and watch the visualizations function do the work for you, transforming your data to the desired look and feel. So what does the future hold with artificial intelligence? Question on many people's minds. Next generation AI can transform common finance activities and responsibilities to give you time back, transforming the way finance works. You can eliminate time spent searching for and validating data using the Q&A feature we just reviewed. Use simple prompts to access financial insights, including annotations and underlying supporting data. Explore risks and outliers to triage and problem solve with the appropriate stakeholders. Turn data into presentation-ready visuals by leveraging Power BI's Export to PowerPoint feature. Let intelligent automation expedite financial processes, saving you and your team time to focus on strategic, higher value initiatives. Okay, I hope the content we reviewed today was valuable and successfully conveys the importance of Business Central's integration to Power BI. Back to you, Jens.
Thank you so much. I hope you all enjoyed getting the education around Power BI and Business Central. So I'm just going to take you through what did you learn today? What did we go through? You learned that it's very easy to use. You learned that you can build your reports internally, externally, much faster. You get access to an enhanced data analysis. You can actually drill down, drill up. You can slice and dice. You get increased productivity because you don't have to spend a ton of time, pulling data out, massage them in your Excel, and try to figure out and make sense of it. Power BI will do that for you. And also with Power BI, you can collaborate across team. You can you can take a Power BI link and share it with everyone in your organization, even outside your organization, if you give them the access, and they can see the same numbers and breakdowns that you see. So very useful. Uh, Currently, we have a customer called Vision Group where the initiatives were, and you probably recognize these from your own practice, uh, base data structure, have, data connections. In this case, they have multiple plants and they need to consolidate. And before Power BI, they would do that by sending in an email with their numbers, and a poor person would have to sit and plug it all into one spreadsheet. Uh, they wanted to have synchronized framework, so their data would be synced across all their plants, and they wanted to consolidate data at the owner level of the multiple plants. So with the focus on sales, and they really needed to have some visuals and some dashboards they could share across the organization. So for specific plants or companies owning the plants, they would have data sets that were isolated to that plant, and they could share that. They really wanted to add required data from external data to expand their own data sets. And so again, they thought Power Query was really cool. And so the interconnection using Excel and Power Query. And so Vision is on a digital transformation journey. It hasn't ended. They, to be honest, have just started, and they're looking into the future and going, wow, Power BI really made a huge difference for us right now and will certainly improve and grow in the future. So, if you have any questions, which I hope you have, you should send it directly to me. It seems like I am now an expert. You got my email, jensbon@quicksand.com, and you should send over your questions and we will reach out and help you on your journey. Finally, thank you. Thank you, Sebastian. Thank you to the Quicksand team around this webinar to make it happen. And I look forward to listening for emails from you. And the whole Quicksand team, looks forward to be helping you on your transformation and your journey with Business Central and Power BI. Thank you.